Welcome back to Helper. Today we're exploring Reaxa, a crypto coin focused on real-world assets that you can buy on MEXC Global or using QuickSwap, all on the Polygon blockchain. We'll start with a brief overview of the Reaxa token, highlighting its purpose, utility, and connection to RWA, and provide a quick summary of how to acquire it. The Reaxa token centers around RWA, or tokenized real-world assets, built on the Polygon MATIC blockchain. Its utility lies in specific use cases such as governance or staking, and holding Reaxa presents several potential benefits. Polygon, or MATIC, provides scalability with faster transactions than Ethereum and offers reduced transaction costs through low fees. It also features a growing DeFi and NFT ecosystem, and EVM compatibility for easy integration. By Reaxa on MEXC Global, you'll need to create and verify an MEXC Global account, then deposit USDT or other supported cryptocurrencies. Search for the Reaxa/USDT trading pair, or the relevant one, and place an order using market or limit orders. Remember to enable 2FA and other security measures for best security practices. If you prefer using QuickSwap for Reaxa, you'll need to connect a compatible wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If needed, bridge assets to the Polygon network. Then, swap MATIC or other tokens for Reaxa. When swapping, adjust slippage tolerance for successful transactions, and consider the risks and rewards associated with liquidity pools. Understanding the blockchain aspect involves using Polygons to view Reaxa transactions and data. Verify the official Reaxa token contract address, and remember that the blockchain is decentralized. Be aware of the risks and considerations involved. Reaxa's price can fluctuate due to market volatility, and smart contracts may have potential vulnerabilities. Cryptocurrency regulations are constantly evolving. Therefore, it's crucial to do your own research, or DYOR, before investing. In conclusion, the Reaxa token offers potential in the RWA space. Remember to invest responsibly and start your Reaxa journey now. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.